the cat-cow stretch. Everyone knows what it is, but let me tell you the benefits of it. It is so good for your small and large intestines, as well as your low back and your neck and alignment of your spine. So let me show you the proper way to do it. And we're gonna start slow. So you wanna be nice and square, hands underneath your shoulders. And you take a deep breath. And as you exhale, you're gonna push your back spine up. You're gonna pull your belly button to your spine. You're gonna drop your neck and look through your legs if you can. Deep breath. Release. And then you're going to look up. You're going to arch your back. And you're going to feel the difference. I want you to do this a couple of times. Slow with intention. Feel the rounding of the spine, dropping of the neck, releasing the shoulder blades, opening up through the shoulder blades, looking through your legs. Nice deep breath. And I want you to, so we're going to do that slow a couple of times until you get it feeling good and the oxygen going along your spine. And then what we're going to do is we're going to up tempo with our breathing, and this is really good for the intestines. So it's going to be keep it smooth, lots of fast breathing. Keep that going for a couple of minutes. And then what I want you to do is just right from there, go back, release, release, release into the child's pose, opening up that upper back, releasing your hips, dropping your head, and taking a nice deep breath. So feel free to add this to your daily stretching. You want to start with the slow, and you want to feel the flow along your spine. And then when we pick up the tempo, you want to get all that breathing. And that helps with your whole digestive system, the ebb and flow, the yin and the yang, and the movement for your system. Go ahead, try it with me. Every day is really beneficial, but if you only get it 3 or 5 times this week, it is still a go-to for your health. And next time, stay flexible.